What an incredible journey it has been at the India Manufacturing Show 2025. Team Pro Digital is truly grateful for the overwhelming response, appreciation and encouragement we received from every visitor, partner and well-wisher. We were honoured to welcome high-level delegations from the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, along with leaders from smart enterprises, oil and gas, smart manufacturing and government sectors. Their appreciation of our solutions for command and control centres, experience centres and innovation labs has been deeply inspiring. Pro Digital showcased a range of advanced and secure products designed for mission-critical environments. Command and control consoles with futuristic transparent displays, touch tables with real object recognition, generative AI avatars that explain, guide and train, AI edge analytics that transforms existing CCTV networks into intelligent systems, X-Vision for unified command visualization, digital twin and smart factory platforms that enhance operations and readiness, and extended reality experiences that bring ideas to life. As a growing MSME and a young Indian startup, this recognition means the world to us. We thank the India Manufacturing Show for providing this incredible platform for innovation and collaboration. Your encouragement fuels our passion to design and build world-class solutions right here in India. Together, we create the future. Pro Digital, ideas of the future.